Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure iCloud Photos is turned on and fully synced on your iPhone because missing items won't appear. Once done, get your Apple ID credentials and a two-factor code from a trusted device. You'll need that to sign in on Android. Next, open Chrome on your Android, go to iCloud. And request the desktop site. This gives you the Photos interface. Do this now so you can browse and download full-resolution images instead of thumbnails. You'll navigate Photos on the desktop view and select the shots or an entire album. Pick carefully to avoid timeouts. Then hit the download icon. iCloud bundles large selections into a zip. If you're downloading many files, choose smaller batches so the browser doesn't stall. Once the zip lands in your Downloads folder, open the Files app on Android, unzip the archive, and inspect the JPEG or hike. This middle step transfers actual. Finally, move the extracted images into your preferred Android location. Upload them to Google Photos so they're backed up and available across devices, or drop them into the DSIM folder for the native gallery. Make sure backup and sync is enabled in Google Photos to preserve continuity. If something goes wrong, like 2FA blocking web sign-in, get the code from a trusted Apple device, or use a PC running iCloud for Windows to download, and then transfer the files to your phone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.